Would you get down? We're going to be late for Yayra Florentin's birthday.
I hope there will be cheese at Yayra Florentin's birthday party. You know how much I like cheese. Happy birthday, Yayra Florentin.
Happy birthday, Yayra Florentin.
Happy birthday, Yayra Florentin.
Happy birthday, my friend Yayra Florentin.
Happy birthday, Yayra Florentin.
Breaking news. It's Yayra Florentin's birthday today? And in other news, scientists prove that cats are smarter than dogs. There's no way you could get 8 cats to pull a sled through the snow.
Happy birthday, Yayra Florentin.
Happy birthday, Yayra Florentin.
Happy birthday, Yayra Florentin. Happy birthday, Yayra Florentin.
Happy birthday, Yayra Florentin.
Happy birthday, Yayra Florentin.
Happy birthday, Yayra Florentin.
I have studied many philosophers and many cats. The wisdom of cats is infinitely superior.
Please subscribe, give us a like, and share this video, so we can grow our happy little community of cat lovers. Now, let's get Yayra Florentin's party started.